All right, now in today's recipe, we're gonna be making a salad. Yes, you heard it correct, this big bag is gonna make a salad. Now, contrary to my curvaceous figure, I really love salads. Now, I do load it up with all the fixings, so that might explain a couple things.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
But nevertheless, we're making a salad. So this recipe comes to me from my sister, who got it from an account on IG. They got it from a restaurant in Israel, who they got it from a friend who heard it from a friend who heard it from a friend. Shout out to Aria Speedwagon. Now the salad is a celery salad. Yes, the D student of all vegetables, the humble celery. So to start off, we're gonna have 6 stalks of celery. You guys know what it looks like to cut celery, but if you want, you can cut it in half and then I can make big chunks. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Perfectly fine to keep the leaves. These are flavorful and they basically taste like celery. This is a celery salad with a lemon and Parmesan vinaigrette. Very refreshing, very tasty. Now that spring is coming, it'll make a great salad to cool down on a hot southern day. Now this original recipe has about 10 or more ingredients. Now during my culinary career, I've always strived to make recipes simpler. I feel that with any given recipe, you can take out about 3 or 4 different ingredients and it'll still taste the same. I'm a simple kind of man. So that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, we cut the celery. Now we're gonna go for the vinaigrette. Very simple vinaigrette. We're gonna use the juice of 1 lime. And you know what, while we're at it, we already have it. Let's use the zest as well. All right, now the juice of 1 lime. Sorry, lemon, I keep saying lime. And the key to this vinaigrette is 1, use very good olive oil, and 2, use copious amounts of Parmesan. Do not be shy. 1/2, half number 2. Now to the lemon juice, we're gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Now you're not gonna add a lot of honey because you don't want it to be sweet. You still want it to be a little sour, but this kind of mellows it out a little bit. And next, we're gonna add the olive oil. And now we're gonna make the vinaigrette. All right, this was supposed to help it stay, but I guess it's not going to. If you whisk in slowly, it'll stay together. If not, it's not the biggest of deals. A little bit more olive oil. That should be good. Now, the key is to make it creamy, and it'll actually help it come together to emulsify. You know, it's already emulsified, is to add Parmesan cheese. Now, I have here about 1/3 of a cup. It might seem like a lot, but it is important. And it'll make it very, very creamy. You can add it all together, it's fine. Whisk it a little bit. Now look at that. Add a little salt. Parmesan already has a lot of salt, so you don't need to add too much. We're gonna add a generous amount of pepper. Alrighty, we're done with that. Ooh, there's a little bit more Parmesan there left. Alrighty then, now that we got pretty much all the elements together, we're gonna put the salad together. Now, I need tongs. Now you can't grab tongs without doing this first. So, what we're gonna do, whisk up the vinaigrette a little bit more, pour every ounce of this into the salad. I can smell that intense lemon flavor. The last couple ingredients, we're gonna add some chopped up dates, the only date I can get, and we're gonna add some pecans. Now you can add any kind of nut you want. You can have cashews. When my sister made it for me, she made it with almonds, but I'm adding pecans because I'm from Texas. You can toast them, or you can have them just chopped. And lastly, this is about 2 sprigs of dill. If you're gonna use fresh dill, I would say use 2 to 3 sprigs, no more. If you're gonna use dried dill, you can use a little bit more, but the dill flavor, if it's fresh, it's very, very intense. We're gonna toss it. If you've ever made a coleslaw or a chicken salad, the more you let it marinate together, the better it will be. Now I'm gonna see how the seasoning is. It might need a little bit more salt. I don't think it'll need more pepper. Let's see. Definitely gonna need more salt. Now to serve it. Put it on the plate right here like that. And the key to this is right when you're about to serve it. Oh, look at all that stuff. Guys, you hit it with a little bit more Parmesan. Almost down to the rind on this bad boy. You can never have too much Parmesan. in the Geneva Convention. And last but not least, just hit it with a few sprigs of celery. And voila, there you have it, guys. This took me literally in real time about 10 minutes to make. Like I said, it's very refreshing. It has all the crunch of the pecans, the celery, a little bit of the sweetness of the honey and the dates. And of course, the thing that I like the most, the sour of the lemon. Who knew that my sister could cook? Apparently she's been holding out on me for a very long time. Shout out to Brenda, thank you so much. Happy anniversary. And we'll see you on the next one. Why has she been holding out on me this long for these recipes? I mean, geez. I was making fun of her because her recipes suck. Who knew?